Hey guys, Richard here at the eBike Reviews and Adventures. So, I just completed one video where I went to the UPS store and dropped some stuff off and thought I'd start another video, maybe a new topic. So, yeah, what are we going to talk about? So, what are we going to talk about? I had things I wanted to say. Now I can't think of anything. Whoa! That tree limb was a little low. Didn't notice that. Let's see here. Yeah. Nope, nothing comes to mind. So this will probably be a video that we don't, that I don't publish. But in case I do, just enjoy this boring sidewalk and some music as I ride home. Oh, so I have another e-bike coming on Friday. Yeah, excited about this one. So I'll share a little bit with you now. It's not the Ad Motor trike, which has been delayed till early October, but it is an Ad Motor bike. So yeah, looking forward to that. Won't say much more. Yeah, I know. Little teasers, huh? But that's a video that I'll get knocked out right away because I need to get that open, and we'll talk about more. We'll talk about it a lot more when I get out and start doing some testing with it before I do the full review. Alright, so here's this guy on his scooter. So I just noticed he was pushing it until just now he started to ride it. So traffic is light today. We're going to jump into the bike lane so we can get around him and not disturb him. He's not going to go. He's going to wait for these cars behind us. So he's waiting for them. He can wait for us. Woo! Man. I wasn't paying attention. Was that a trash truck that just went through? Holy smokes, that smells like the dump. Oh, it must have been. I don't like going to the dump. I do occasionally, but Woo! That is nasty. Oh, I can still smell it. It is not going away. Woo! Oh my gosh. There we go. It's starting to dissipate a little bit more now. Oh, no one behind me. Get up here. On the sidewalk. Man, I can still smell that nasty thing. Whew. What time is it? Well, I don't know what time it is. It's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. I wonder if Man will be ready to go grab some lunch when I get home. But hey, we have competing priorities here, so we're going to have to stop for a minute. I just got a message from Emma. Daughter Emma. Let's see. Oh, don't look. Oh, all right. So she's just confirming. So, Devin had requested, almost 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, that we go for a ride. But he said he wanted to go for a ride, not in his neighborhood or our neighborhood. He wants to just get out and go somewhere. So I said sure. So he wasn't available last weekend, but he said he would be this weekend. So I started making plans to go out and go for a ride. Thinking about where we're going, where we're going to meet. If we're going to invite some other people or not. And then I get a message from Emma this morning saying, hey, love you, miss you. Oh, by the way, we'll try to stop by this weekend maybe if we get a chance. And I'm like, what? I thought you were supposed to be here on Saturday, so go bike riding. But she said, yeah, she had forgotten, and she's sure that's probably what the plan was. She just confirmed with Devin, so she did. She confirmed with him, and it's still a go. So this weekend we're going to go out. And I think we're actually going to go to Anna Marie Island, which is a little barrier island right here on the coast, and a nice little place to ride around. So I think we're going to head out over there and do that. So yeah, looking forward to that. No one else coming behind us. Amanda works on the weekends now, so that doesn't work for her. So it's kind of hard to get both kids together these days. That's just how it is, adulthood. They quickly realize, adulthood is all fun and fine, but it comes with a lot of responsibilities. And okay, there's no one coming for about a half a mile behind us. So we're going to step out here in the road, around this construction here. Yeah, so with responsibilities that they have, there's just hard to get together these days. I miss that too. So last week, Amanda was over, and she and I and Mrs. Adventure had a chance to get out for a little bit because Mrs. Adventure was feeling pretty good that day. So the three of us got out just in our neighborhood, but that was fun. No, Mrs. Adventure probably will not go with us this weekend because she's not ready for long rides yet. Some of the ailments that she suffers from kind of prevents that, but her rides are closer to home. I don't know, we'll see. As the weather gets better, maybe things will change a little bit. I'm looking forward to the cooler weather too. I mean, 91 degrees with a low humidity isn't too bad. But I'm looking forward to that, 75, 80 degree weather. Because we'll have that for 3 or 4 months. 5 months maybe, I don't know. still gets cooler at night, but cold here or cool here is 40 degrees. We have, in this area of Florida, we will have a couple of nights during the winter that'll get below freezing. You know, down in the 20s even. But that's a really cold snap, and that's usually only for a couple of days, and then it bounces back up, and then we'll have like those high 30, 40 degree nights. But then during the daytime, it's still, you know, high 60s, 70s. So, yeah, looking forward to it. I did not have my Facebook riding group last year when I got my e-bike in November, so I did most of my riding myself, and we bought a second bike so that, you know, one of the kids could join me. And so we rode together a little bit, a few places, but mostly I was just kind of putzing around on my own. And then I started the Facebook riding group in the springtime and quickly started meeting a whole bunch of new people and people interested in riding, and so we had a couple of months there of riding together without it being too excruciating hot. But then the big heat set in, right? The big boil. And so when that happened, I kind of stepped away from group rides and said, yeah, I'm not going to do it. This guy's going to pass me, so I can't turn. There we go. But it's time. So I'm looking for places. I've got several places I'm going to set up for group rides, and we'll be showing some of those videos here before too long. There's my neighbor Keith. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video, so give me a thumbs up if you thought it was boring, because I'm sure it was. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I will see you in another video real soon. Ride safe.